Hi friends, in this video of Infotech, I will tell you how to earn money from Fiverr, the #1 marketplace of freelancing world. So you can provide services of any type here. This is a graphic and design portion, and digital marketing, writing and translation, and many more. And you can see the sub branches of these types, like graphic logo design, business cards and stationery illustrations, portraits and caricatures, etc. and etc. And now we will switch to selling mode. Okay, and you can see here the money or dollars I have earned, and like first you click on dashboard, so you will head it towards your main page, and these are response rate, delivered on time, and order completion, rating, earning of the month, response time. Okay, so now you provide here services in the form of gigs. Gigs are like your shops, your services you provide, like create 2 best whiteboard and explainer video and $5, promote your link or business with 100k persons, convert to doc, text and etc., and design or edit your resume. So basically you can work on anything you are master in. If you are a good logo maker, you can earn a good amount here by designing logos for companies, like I am showing you the gig. Okay, I'm heading towards my main page. So here are the gigs. The best seller is the gig you earn most money from. And now we entering into the gig. I will design or edit your resume. So this is the title of your gig. So please pick a short and good wording, so people attract towards you. And these are some images you can add by showing your previous work or your designed masterpieces. There is the packages. There are packages: $5, $10, $15, and here are the services you provide in regarding $5, $10 or $15. There is a description box here, so you should have to write very good and specific, target specific description, so people will get what they want. And you can also add FAQs, frequently asked questions, for your clients. And these are review section, so make sure you get 5 stars for every order you done, so it will help in your future orders. So now we will in the edit gig mode. So here are gig title. You should make the title shorter and rich words. Select the category. Once it is locked, then it cannot be changed, and there are some branches you can choose from that category, and these are more specifications about the gigs. Search tags play a key role in the position of your gig. Use the keywords here that are often and mostly used by the people, and you can save and move on. Now the pricing window. Here are the packages: basic pack, standard pack, and premium pack. You can add the name or the service here, and more details about the gig here: delivery time, revisions, file type, and some details you want to tell people which will include in the package. Okay, now the pricing: $5, $10, and $15. You can select those, and if you want to add gig extras, you are free to add, like cover letter, optimize LinkedIn profile. You can charge extra money by adding time and dollars. Now we have to save that. Okay, yeah, like unmark this and now save. Now the description and FAQ. This is the most important part here. You should have a good and well-written description of your gig, so people will understand what you offer actually to them, so it will make their trust on your service. Okay, so write a good sentence, write some good stuff here, and elaborate your gig. Now you can add a question that people usually thinks about your service. Okay, like I added here: do I work for new graduate? So I work with new graduate, helping to shape resume to gain entry-level positions. This is the answer I added, so new graduates look and feel secure about the work. Now we are saving that. There is the requirement portion. You can add requirements you demand from your clients, so they can add requirements they want, and you will design their work accordingly. Okay, and I am saving that also. There is the gallery portion here. You can add catchy images, beautiful images of your work, previous work, or your portfolio images here. Initially you can add 3 images that will reflect your abilities here. Now you will save the gig, and your first gig is ready to share with the world. Okay, now save and preview. Saving your gig. Now there is your gig. Okay friends, now I am telling you about something very good. You can do literally everything to make money here on Fiverr. Like you can see the gig title here: I will wish someone happy birthday or anniversary from Old Man Steve. This is the gig owner, Goldman Steve, and he is the top rated seller here. Okay, He belongs to United States and working since 2012, and he wishes happy birthday to her clients in a unique way, like in safari suit or like Santa Claus or like American patriot style. Okay, and he has a good rating of 4.9 stars, so you can do everything here, and he got very good remarks from the clients. Okay, so you have to make gigs according to your talent. Like Fiverr Pro, you can click on that and you will get the best gigs, and you can copy the model of the gig you like the most, the talent you are happy